Midlife crisis disclaimer. Our views and opinions expressed here in our discussions are entirely our own and belonging solely to us and do not reflect the views and opinions of our current employers, organizations that we belong to, or even our respective families. Thank you. All right. Good morning. Good evening from Manila to New York. Welcome back. From your sisters, I am Fen.
Raquel.
Jaco.
Matthew.
Julie.
All right. So we actually have a very fun-filled activity and not only activity, it's actually a discussion for tonight. And I wish you guys were here when we started way back 3 p.m. earlier today. Charot, hindi naman 3 p.m. What time did we start? I think we started around 8 p.m. think, or maybe 9. Medyo wala na kasi kami idea of time, but basically we were talking about the new season. So welcome to our new season. This is season 2 of Midlife Crisis. Imagine.
Congratulations naman sa studio niyo dyan.
Ay, thank you. Darating tayo dun actually. Kasama yun. Because when we started, we were already thinking about magkakaroon ba ng episode 2 yung season 1? Magkakaroon ba ng episode 3? But thank God, here we are celebrating our first episode of our season 2. So, second season, welcome everyone. Still the same people, different perspective, livelier, bolder, and hopefully more intelligent. Biglang pagdating dun, more, hindi intelligenter.
Sure.
Pero ayun na nga. So, I guess it's good to know what would be the expectations for a season 2. Why should there even be a season change? Diba? So, eto na yung...
Nakakatawa lang. Doon sa season 1, episode 1, ang problema natin yung pag landscape nung sa cellphone.
Yes.
So ngayon, ito ni-level up natin. Yun pa rin technical, pa rin yung yung challenge natin. Ayan.
Maayos naman yan. Slowly, di ba? Little steps.
Okay, Stephen?
So, eto na nga. Siguro, I guess, una, marapat lang na pasalamatan ang may bahay na nag-accommodate at nag-host sa atin for tonight's episode here in the Philippines. Siyempre sa'yo, yung bahay mo dyan sa'yo, Julie. Pero here in the Philippines, thank you so much, Checo.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay lang na pasalamatan ka, pero paki-mute yung phone mo.
Alam mo yung may whiteboard pa si George dito ng mga instructions niya. Tapos, may birthday naman eh. Pagbigyan natin.
Happy birthday.
So, happy birthday.
Happy
Belated. Yesterday talaga was her birthday. To our sister Checo, happy birthday. We wish you all the best. May your heart always be filled with love and joy and generosity as you have served us a very delicious dinner. No, thank you so much.
Yes,
happy birthday.
Thank you.
Ay, ayan, may microphone pala kayo dyan. Ayan. And now, nakita nyo naman nandito kami sa living room. I wish you guys can see the lighting, all the wires here. We really prepared for this. We talked about several different things, and I think one of the best achievements that we have so far is to have this is so far the most of us being in one room all together.
Yes. First time. So, malay mo, sa season 3, nasa New York tayo lahat.
Yes.
Uy, gusto ko yun! Season 3, lahat nasa New York.
Pero ikot muna tayo. Doon muna kala Matthew, and then namin, no?
Oo. Ay, hindi, nagawa na natin sa inyo, pero tayong tatlo nila Checo yon.
Complete tayo.
Oo, yung complete. Okay. Tapos, siguro, what shall we expect for a season 2? Season 2, as explained before, and that's also another reason why we even have a season change, so that we can talk about several topics that we would like to talk about again.
Yes.
So from season 1, we talked about, like, for example, financial literature, and literacy, and literature, para namang libro talaga yun. So financial literacy, and financial management, and maybe we can talk about that in deeper level,
Yes.
right? We as explained also before, we might be talking about, kasi we've always been very purposeful with the topics that we have, no? But there are certain topics that we have also talked about that remains to be a favorite.
Yes.
At,
Tama.
di ba? At yun naman din yung gusto nating balikan, na maybe we may have missed out some of those things. But basically, the concept remains to be the same. How we overcome challenges as midlife, or people in the midlife cycle, or part of our lives, no? And dito rin papasok yung new setup. Kitang-kita naman, maganda yung lighting namin, maganda yung internet connection namin.
At meron pa ganito yung pa-mic. Yung isa pa lang, medyo old school yung isang mic.
Pero mas gusto ko yung old school.
May
May
okay.
looks of it.
Uy,
Sabi ko na nga, babe.
may bata dito.
There are certain things also that we are going to keep, like, for example, keeping our notes intact. If you haven't noticed, most of the time whenever we do our podcast, makikita nyo may mga panakaw na moments na nagno-note si Doc Matt, nagno-note si Raquel, si Checo, ako, ganyan, and si Julie, and we still maintain that. And similarly, that is to keep ourselves focused on our topics, or else ang mangyayari, sumasagot kami ng mga tanong na pang susunod na episode. Ganun. And to avoid that, this also involves our new setup now. So if you notice, when we started episode 1, we started with a pre-recorded Zoom meeting, and then eventually we evolved to a live session. Now, for season 2, what you can expect is that we can have an integrated,
Hybrid.
di ba? Integrated activity wherein we can have a live session, and then we can have a pre-recorded session. But basically, this is to further engage you as our audience, as our viewers, because
Parang
basically,
notice kasi natin na kapag, kunyari, every time na nagla-live tayo, parang sobrang tayo as speakers, no, parang masyado tayo engaged, tapos parang hindi natin nabibigyan ng pagkakataon talaga, ng chance talaga yung mga audience natin to participate. So that's why this season, nag-come up kami, syempre, taking yung suggestion ng aming, one-man team.
Technical director, line producer.
Yes. Na it's better na to have yung recording session. medyo shook ako doon.
pero ang sabi ka doon, wala naman daw sound sa spot. Ano yun? Hindi ko na-gets. But anyway, siguro, to further amplify this, it's really making sure that we involve you as our viewers, engage you, really include you in our conversations. The pre-recorded will serve as kung ano yung napag-usapan namin. Right? And sometimes, most of you either too early kailangan nang mag-disconnect or eventually yung kumbaga na-upload na lang sa Spotify yung napakinggan, technically hindi na rin live yung napapakinggan. So yung questions or feedback, we get that post our live session. So technically, we want to make sure that we don't waste any of those efforts, yung comments nyo, commentaries, feedbacks, and all that. We want to make sure that we're going to put that into good use. So what we're going to do now in season 2 is we're going to integrate a pre-recorded topic that we're going to discuss. And then if there are things that we would like to add or we were not able to include during our initial run, and if you have any questions that you'd like us to answer, then we'll definitely do that in our live session.
Yes.
Correct. Yep.
Yes.
I think mas mabibigyan din to. I don't know if I was able to cover anything.
Yes, tama.
Yeah.
Yun naman yun yung idea talaga nung bagong setup natin ngayong season 2. And hopefully, sa susunod na recording, tig-iisa na kami nagganito.
Para hindi kami nahihirapan
Hindi kami
magsalita.
nahihirapan.
Para kasing, alam yun na parang na meron ka na nasa isip, pero hindi ka makapagsalita kasi parang, ay wala akong mic. Pero yun lang, kumbaga gusto ko lang i-highlight, no, or balikan, yung parang one of our objectives naman talaga nung sinimula natin tong podcast is to really expand, no, yung support, no, or coverage ng discussion, parang ganyan. So, which means, of course, to involve everyone or yung mismong tagapakinig natin. Hindi lang kami-kami yung nag-uusap, right? Although, talagang kulang na kulang sa amin yung oras, no, para sa lahat ng discussion kasi meron kaming kanya-kanyang opinion, manubadal talaga siguro kami ng likas. Pero kasi yun nga, ang pinaka-objective talaga naman namin is to involve yung audience, no, and then nga, extend yung table.
Yeah, so involvement ang season 2. Yun lang yung buong season 2 natin. Mas hands-on na tayo sa mga viewers at listeners natin para mas madami tayong involvement at kusang loob tayo na magkakaroon ng kasiyahan at learning at the same time. Kasi ito nangyayari ngayon, madami tayong natututunan. Ito po share ng microphone. Tapos itong pag-off-off ng mga audio natin. Kasi hindi nga naman natin ito alam. Pero nakakatawa din panoorin. Kasi kung babalikan natin, di ba, nababalikan nga natin yung season 1 na puro kapalpakan, pero naitawid naman. So, ganun din yung nangyayari ngayon. Kasi panibago na naman itong chapter. So, welcome ating mga kasisters sa ating new chapter ng season 2 ng Midlife Crisis.
Yes. All right. So,
Yay!
speaking of, thank you. And para lang din alam, Joe, on top of your sisters here and of course our one-man team na si George, the technical team, director, staff, personnel, entry level, pati executive, siya na rin.
Pati na yung CEO.
So siya yung nandun sa technical aspect na yun. Pero on top of George and your sisters, meron din tayong mga audience dito, no? Live audience na pumapalapak. And so, minsan na kasi ako ma-focus pero so we encourage you to please join us still, no, as we progress with our season 2, and hopefully because it's also one of our kumbaga parang dreams also to include our audience in our live discussion. And then maybe eventually we can do that in season 3 or maybe even within season 2. Pero hindi kasi siya part ng initial plan ng season 2 Maybe season 3 or maybe mag-evolve eventually. Pero maybe may this serve as our first intro to what they can expect to season 2 because we would like to cover very purposeful discussions for the month of April, because season 2 covers April, May, and June. And similarly, we would like to cover very purposeful topics during these months, April, May, and June. And as mentioned before, when we had our season ender for season 1, we're going to really dedicate awareness to people under the spectrum of autism for the month of April. And that's what you can expect. So we will cover as much as possible. And this will be part of the pre-recorded discussions, awareness, detection, available help, and even acceptance and inclusivity of people under the spectrum. And hopefully we'll be able to give, our better judgment or experiences, since we have first-hand experiences as a cousin or as a mom of a person under the spectrum. And we also have a scientific basis coming from a doctor of under that philosophy and science, no, of autism. So that's it. And I encourage you guys to join us in our season 2 to make this a stronger season compared to season 1. We have seen our challenges, and still you remain to be very loyal to our advocacy in sharing not only awareness but rather being more involved as people, not only within the midlife, because some of our viewers are seniors na rin, and some are even younger. Ako, sa akin, ang focus ko yun sa mga younger. So I don't mind.
Siningit mo talaga.
Yun yung sa akin. Kayo, ano yung wish nyo for season 2?
Oh, sino ba yung may mic dyan?
Sa season 2, so we'll expect natin na more fun tsaka more learnings ang ating makukuha dito sa season 2. So medyo seryoso yung mga paumpisa nating mga topics, pero at the same time, it would be educational for all. Tapos, sisiguraduhin namin na meron tayong maitutulong kahit mga konting information, lalong-lalo na sa mga first time makaka-encounter with such topics and terminologies, sa mga topics na in-introduce kanina ni Mama Pen, di ba? Sa buong month ng April, we'll be talking about certain sensitive issues ng ating society. So ito yung maganda kasing hindi kasi ito pinag-uusapan di ba? Na dapat pinag-uusapan talaga, lalong-lalo na ito nasa ASD. So yun, i-expect natin. But at the same time, huwag kayong bibitaw ating mga ka-sisters na it will still be fun and we'll be learning a lot.
Hindi ako magsasalita.
Stand siya. Stand?
Eh, gusto daw niya nakafocus siya. Ayan, si George. Gusto mo yan, sige. Focus ka, birthday mo.
Sabi ko na kanina. So, siguro ako personally, parang, siguro, again, panawagan, di ba? So, that's the very reason why we're doing this, setting, parang, Nako, gusto na ako. Wag na, George. parang yun nga, di ba? Parang, yun, wala ako yung line na yung that process ko wala na. Pero anyway, parang siguro panawagan lang ulit, no? The reason why we're having this live session, setting expectations, no? Kung ano yung mga topic na itatakal natin for this season, especially this sa awareness part na ng spectrum, nabagay kanina ni Pen about autism spectrum, right? Magandang, kumbaga parang, yun nga, ako personally gusto kong manawagan doon sa mga nanonood right now or manonood no ng live natin na sana is magkaroon tayo ng somehow lakas ng loob, no? This is us to encourage everyone, share your thoughts, right? Your experiences, parang ganyan. Kasi gusto namin na lumawak yung community, 'di ba? Or maging aware yung mas malawak na coverage, no? Para at least apart from yung kanina before mag-start yung live session namin, nagkakaroon kami na parang some sort of brainstorming, right? Apart from awareness, of course, is meron dapat inclusivity. Kumbaga parang merong call to action, right? It's not, hindi dapat tayo nahihinto or yun nga, parang nag-stop lang tayo sa magkaroon ka lang ng idea, information about it, but we need to do something about it. Especially kapag na-experience mo, meron ka na-encounter and whatnot, ano yung magiging response mo doon? Parang ganyan. So yun yung mga gusto natin iparating sa mga manonood if ever.
Okay, Stephen?
Ikaw na, tapos na ako.
Sabi na nilang lahat eh.
Ito na rin yung season ng turuan talaga. More turuan.
Ikaw, Jude.
Yung sense of ano pa rin natin, di ba? Yung goal naman natin is to inform, to entertain, tsaka to educate. And I think, yun nga, mas mapapalawig pa natin yan with season 2. And, to dive deeper pa. Again, kasi ang major concern naman natin is yung midlife, di ba? Paano tayo mag-undergo or paano natin tinatahak tong midlife in a way na less stressful, kumbaga malasan yung friction, knowing na you're seen, that there's people undergoing the same experiences as you, whatever aspect that is. So, yeah, I hope itong season 2 and further seasons would emphasize that and to really strengthen that aspect ng midlife crisis.
Yan, siguro yung madagdag ko lang dun sa lahat ng sinabi nyo is yung yung talagang ma-involve yung lahat ng viewers. Hindi lang parang we're talking about yung mga experiences namin as well as itong mga ka-sisters natin and mga viewers. Para kasing bitin yung live natin live episodes natin. So, yun yung expectation. And doon naman sa episodes natin for the month is, nung narinig ko nga kay Checo yung sabi niya, parang lumawak yung community. Parang on my perspective naman, why not part ng community? Parang pag lumawak, another community pa rin siya, di ba? Parang ang mas tinitingnan ko is, isang community tayo. And kumbaga parang walang special, walang regular. Parang siopaw. Ang gulo, Steve.
Hindi ko puto eh. May keso sa ibabaw ka special.
So yun. So kumbaga parang siguro on a technical na perspective, yan, expect natin yan. And then doon naman sa mga ordinary or yung sa mga hindi naman ganong familiar, yun naman yung sinasabi ni Matthew na marami tayong magiging learning. Kumbaga yan. So, sama-sama tayo dun sa bagong season, no? Sa season 2. Imagine mo yan, no, Stephen?
Ang sarap pakinggan.
Oo, no? Season 2. That nung unang episode. May episode 2 kaya. Pero ito ngayon tayo, no? Nasa season 2.
Yes.
And sana, yun nga, lumawak tayo ng lumawak yung ating, yung midlife crisis na kung dati, talagang mag-grow tayo din as yung itong sa ating midlife crisis na community na yung makatulong din tayo and as well as makatulong at may makapagturo as well as may matutunan tayo at may mapakinggan tayo from our viewers. So yun yung sinasabi naman din kanina na yung extend natin yung table talaga.
Actually, pinaka-gusto ko... Hindi.
Hindi.
Actually, I'm about to close it. But what you said was really... it opened my vision even fuller na hindi kasi to one-way source of truth or learning. It's also us, our way of learning from our viewers, from our audiences, from your feedback, from your comments, and that's how we strive to even further improve ourselves during the process. And as you've seen, we really improved a lot. Alam na namin kung paano mag-rotate ng screen.
Oo, tama.
Meron na nga kaming spotlights ngayon. So, malaki talaga yung improvement.
namin ng budget.
Siguro ang isang pinakamalaking improvement is that we were able to really make this happen na apat tayo in one place. And hopefully, all 5 of us
Sa New
will
York.
be in one place. Maybe in New York, maybe in Boracay, maybe somewhere else. But that's our main goal, to really be with one another and hopefully be with you guys as our audience. Hopefully be involved. Join us in our live sessions. Maybe we'll share kung saan yung next venue. pero kapag hindi kami
Greet.
meet and greet. Tapos may pa-book size. Si Matthew, pwede siya magsabi ng gano'n kasi may libro siya eh. Ako, libro na nga lang napapasign ko, dictionary pa ni Webster. Hindi pa sa akin. Anyway, meron kaming kinks ngayon. Tuhod kami ni Checo. Team tuhod. Pero hindi. I guess, to really close our season 2 opener, we'd love to hear from you guys. So, as you see our next post for the upcoming episodes, from the awareness to the detection to the available help, but even to the acceptance and inclusivity, this is something that we are all aware of. Pero ano yung level of awareness natin? Does it stop from being aware? Or do we do something about it? Right? So hopefully we'll get each and everyone involved, and even widen our learnings all together. So thank you for keeping it real with us and staying with us kasi we started November 30th eh. We started November 30th last year, and we're very, very glad that we still have you guys. Sa dami ng watchers natin, no, nakikita ko kasi yung viewers natin ngayon.
Oh my God, 2 million!
2 million.
Kanina 3 million yan.
At 3 million kanina. 3 million.
May 3,000 reactions, oh.
Oo.
Pag madistract po sa focus. Pag madistract sa focus. Si Checo kanina yun eh. Nung pinafocus ka.
Dexter kasi.
In fairness, alam mo, ang gusto ko lang pasalamatan din yan si Dexter. Kasi
Yes! Day one kasama natin siya eh.
super supportive yan si Dexter. Siya rin yung approve nung inakay.
Tsaka si Ferlen, nakita ko, hi Ferlen! Hi Dexter! Yes!
Hi!
Ganun ang baso, ganun.
Pero, ayun, maraming salamat. Please watch out for our upcoming episodes.
Yes.
Episode 2, basta for the entire month of April, we still have 2 Sundays left now for the month of April, and we're really hoping that you guys will be able to include yourselves in that discussion. We're going to post several items about it, from awareness, detection, available help, and inclusivity of people under the autism spectrum. So hope you guys will join us. Sabi niya, hello, Kuya Stephen. Hi. Ayan.
Hi Apple!
So, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na ba?
Parang akala nyo,
Welcome to season 2.
akala nila maiksi. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Maraming work behind this.
Okay.
After
Do not
this.
forget, Midlife Crisis.
Yes. Facebook, Spotify, and YouTube.
Yeah,
You too.
follow us and support us. Welcome to season 2, everyone.
Masakit ulo.
Julie.
Si Julie. meron ka bang message? Kasi ikaw yung gusto naming aside from, ano pa ba yung gusto nilang, kailangan nilang makita for the season 2?
Again, more information, more saya sa usapan natin, di ba?
Tapos may individual mic.
Tapos may individual mic na,
Yes.
tapos may earphones. Kasi parang, kasi sinubukan namin yung individual spotlights. Sabi ko kay Doc Matt, yung individual spotlights nakakasilaw. Etong
Maganda.
itong mayaman.
Kala ko ba closing na to?
Closing na pala. Closing. Sorry. Thank you, Doc Matt, for pulling me back to reality. Yes, thank you.
Welcome to season 2.